Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is November 15th, 2022, 8:10 p.m. I am super late. I have to keep this under 5 minutes and I have to get just one thing out of my zehen. What do you call zehen? Like the perfect word for zehen in English. Soul? No impact of that sort. मेरे zehen से एक चीज़ निकालनी है बाहर. The entirety of day today was if I don't have a Notion tab, and when that happens you know the extent of how disgusting the day was in terms of productivity, of course. So I woke up at 8 o'clock today because yesterday night I drank a little bit of cough syrup and slept because I was having a bit of a sore throat, and that syrup has this thing that it pushes the boundaries of how long you sleep. Alarms went off at 6, but I snoozed till 8 o'clock. Instead of doing a morning schedule and bath and everything, which takes an hour, the first thing I did is I took Snowy down because poor boy had to poop and then he had to come up and eat. So the entire Snowy process happened for the first 1 hour. Then in the next 1 hour, I did my morning schedule, stretching and everything. So it was 10 o'clock by the time I was eating my oatmeal, watching one beautiful CG Matter tutorial, the maze thing. Just love that guy. Then the entirety of the day today was the 3-year video, the showreel video that I'm trying to work on. Am I off center? Video, like the entire day was full-time job stuff. Got on a call, we discussed that the video is not working. I can't explain why is it not working, and then the entire day went away in that. We didn't give Snowy a bath today, which was the first time and kind of an experience in itself. But the thing that I want to get out is just like 10-15 minutes before recording this, I got on a call with one of the people from Star Plus, like a management person, and I discussed a bunch of queries I had which were stopping me from uploading things to the portal. And now that they are solved, they are resolved. In the end, we had this conversation where I was like, it wasn't very explicit, but it was kind of like, you need to buckle up and start uploading and start getting this thing moving forward, which I knew at some point that is going to happen. But here it is right now. So the sharp turn that I'm taking right now is for the next 1 month at least. So the full-time job is a thing that's gonna stay. What I can do is take like a couple of leaves. Maybe next week. What week are we? Yeah. Next week I'm gonna take a couple of leaves, let's say Thursday and Friday. That gives me a big head start, as in like a 4-day weekend. And I'm gonna put that email tomorrow itself. The third pillar, which is like passion and courses and 3D, and recently I was heavily thinking about click reflect animations, that needs to stop at least for a month. I mean, it's fair to do that because I would say 3-4 months or so I've been heavily, in fact the entirety of this last year I've been heavily focused on getting my passion things right and just learning a ton. So I'm going to put a break on that and take up what is priority, what is responsibility, that is dad's work, and go full force ahead for the next 1 month, figuring this thing out, submitting as much as possible, getting all that is on my plate done, and then we can resume our learnings and passions and everything. That's primarily all that I had to document, and it's gonna be pretty short because I'm super late already. Edit this, upload this, go to the gym, feel good about life. That's what gym is about, right? At the end of the day, you wanna feel good about life. So I'm gonna do that and we're gonna call it a day. Thanks so much for being in the Khud. There is literally nothing on my screen right now. Can I just have something on the screen? कौन आया? ओ कौन आ गया? ओ मम्मी आई. ओ मम्मा आ गई. What can I have? I can have the musical sheet thing. Submission one. That'd be nice. Okay, peace.